Hey kids, welcome to Children's Chapters, the magical place for fun, games, and adventures. Let's jump, giggle, and explore together. Are you ready? Yay! Let's begin. Castle Awesome. Guided by the glowing map, they arrive at a vast underground temple. This place feels alive, like it has been waiting for us. Then let's not keep it waiting. The map brought us here for a reason. The map lifts from Arjun's hand, drifting toward the ancient carvings. Light spreads, the stone rumbles, yet the great doors remain shut. A soft yet powerful voice echoes. 2 hearts, 1 test. Prove your unity. Unity? What does it mean? We must solve this together. The floor splits into 2 glowing paths, forcing them apart. Arjun, I can't see you. Describe what you see. We'll solve it together. I see stars, 3 triangles, and a circle. I'll align the gears to match. The final gear locks. The dividing wall begins to lower between them. Beyond the doors, a pair of glowing eyes flickers in the darkness. What secret lies on that island? To find out, don't miss tomorrow's episode. Love you, kids. Thank you for watching, kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.